finished the slides. We did the slide in class, so if you weren't there, do that. This one, and you didn't have to do, in my class, you didn't have to do this one, just that one. This one, this one, this one. Copy if you weren't there, and then let me know so I can give you credit for it. This one in class also. All right, so this was homework. This is the last slide you do. You need to write the linear equation in slope-intercept form. Most students tell me they want to find slope first. So slope is the variable m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay. Put the sub numbers after. And then based on a graph, this is a 1 right there, not a 2. It's y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, all right, the y numbers, you need to pick 2 dots from the graph. So I'm going to pick positive. I'm going to pick 0. No, most of you won't understand 0. I'll pick 3, 1, and 0, 3. Okay, so pick 0, 3 is for this dot right there. 3, 1 is this dot right here. And I'm going to move them together so you guys can see the x and y numbers easy. This is your x number here, and these are your y numbers here, these here. So I'm going to go 3 minus 1. I'm going to go downward 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1, that is my slope, equals to that, over, if I'm going to do that way, I'm going to have to go the 0 minus 3. So 0 minus 3, my x's, like that. So my slope then is equal to 2 over negative 3. Now 2 over negative 3, it looks funny to have the negative like right here like that. So in math, we put the negative, if there's one negative, we always give it to the one in the front, right there. Okay, so the slope is negative 2 over 3. Same thing as 2 over negative 3. Doesn't work. Okay, the intercept, I'm going to change it to blue. This intercept here, they mean the y-intercept. So the y-intercept, you go up to 0 to 3, or if you look at it this way, coming down the y, the line that intercepts it is right there, so at 3. The y-intercept b is equal to 3. So in slope-intercept form then is y equals to slope, which is negative mx plus b. So y is equal to m, which is negative 2 over 3x plus 3 in this case. That's in slope-intercept form. Okay, next problem here to find slope. We know that slope is equal to y minus y over x minus x. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, and then we pick 2 points. I like to stay with the positives. I'll pick 2 and 2 and 3 and 4. So 2 and 2. And I'll put it right here because I'm going to use the other spot for showing work. 3 and 4. I like positive numbers. Okay, I'm going to move this under here so I can see it better, line them up. That's the nice thing about computers. This is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So my y numbers are my 2 and 3. 4. 2 and 4. I highlighted and said the wrong thing. So 4 minus 2. Okay. This is, I'm trying to find slope, so I need to write slope equal. Okay, and then my x numbers are 3 and 2. Right here. 3 minus 2. So my answer, my slope is m is equal, 4 minus 2 is 2, over 3 minus 2 is 1. So 2 over 1. I'll just put 2 over 1 like this. Or just 2. 2 divided by 1 is just 2. Okay, the y-intercept. The y-intercept is, it always is at 0, and 0, whatever number that is, -2. So your y-intercept is -2, or you go down the y line, as you notice going down the y line, it's at -2. Whichever way you want to look at it. So it is, the y-intercept is -2. And the letter that represents the y-intercept is b, equals to -2. And slope formula is, of course, y equals mx plus b. And where we know our m here, oops, our m is a 2, and that goes there. And our b is a -2, and that goes there. So y equals 2x plus a -2. Now, in math, we don't have to do plus a -2. It's the same thing as a -2. That's your answer. And that's it. That's an easy homework.